Hello traders, let's discuss very popular topic. Is it possible to trade profitably using artificial intelligence? All of you already know about the first accessible chart with artificial intelligence. I have watched many of videos on how traders use it for trading. Let's try to ask direct questions. Give me a trade signal for BTC/USD on 5 minutes time frame. As an artificial intelligence language model, I'm not able to provide financial or investment advice. Okay, what will be the price of XRP in 1 hour? The same result. Okay, our last attempt. Ethereum price prediction. The result is the same. The price of Ethereum, like any other asset, is influenced by various factors such as market conditions, adoption, competition, technological developments. Of course, as a model, ChatGPT can't directly answer these kind of questions. However, many traders already found their way out. ChatGPT can share the script of indicator that could be used in TradingView. Let's assume TradingView indicator script for the crypto trading. We just request a fine script from the chart. We can modify it, changing the request according to our aims. Here we even have an instruction. So let's copy this script. Then we go to TradingView, choose the random instrument, and here in indicators, and here in the tab My Scripts, we can create our own indicator. Here we insert the information, save, script name. Then we can hide the panel, and then we choose it from here. That's clear. The GPT Chat gave us the RSI indicator script. Another way is just to search the complete indicator from ChatGPT that already exists in TradingView. We go there and enter here chat. We choose it. Here we have quite clear signals on the chart, but we see it on the history. We see the recommendations for entry. For example, short entry here, potential stop loss, and the potential take profit. Here we have the signal of short exit or take profit. In this case we have long signal, stop loss for it, and the take profit. You can even combine different types of indicators from GPT Chat. So we see these very clear signals on the history. But does it work in fact? Anyway, we aware you again that even the best indicator ever can't take into account all the factors like huge players manipulation, spoofers, limit orders, loading of huge players, or robots in order book. All these aspects should be seen by the trader itself, while any indicator is just an additional instrument for analysis. Trading just only by using one indicator is shifting the responsibility for your trading. Please write in the comments below what do you think, whether artificial intelligence can contribute to your trading or not.